These are the reasons why your channel can either get demonetized or YouTube will delete your channel from the platform. And even when you come with another email to register for another one, you cannot register. So you make sure that hey, you are being careful with what you post on your channel so that you will not use your hand to be the reason why your channel can get demonetized. My name is OGOM'S. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, share so that it will get to a lot of content creators that might be doing this and they did not know they're not supposed to be doing it. And let's get right into the video. Welcome back. Before you start watching this video, please, are you subscribed to my channel? Is your bell notification turned on? Have you given this video a huge and massive thumbs up? Giving thumbs up to people's video, it will help the algorithm to know, okay, people are actually liking this video so that they can push it out to a lot of content creators. Someone also left in the comment section saying that people that are doing YouTube tips and masterclass are saying the same things. We are recycling a lot of things. The way I explain things are not the way other people explain things, okay? And my video might be the first video that a lot of you, like, let me tell you guys, a lot of people are joining YouTube every single day. And my video might be the first video that they stumble on to know about these YouTube tips, growth, and guidelines that they shouldn't go against. So anytime you watch any video, grab value, grab knowledge from that particular video, because you might be saying, a lot of us are saying the same thing. Me and them are not the same. Is them me?
Who born you? Who exists you?
Is you me? Me and you are not the same. Anyway, let's get right into the video. These are the things that you shouldn't be posting on your channel because it can either get you demonetized or YouTube will delete your channel entirely. The number one thing we'll be talking about is posting video with other social medium logo. If you know that when you post video on TikTok, you will carry it where you're saying, as you there for me, I go there for you. You will post it on YouTube. The logo is there. You will carry it and come and post on YouTube platform. My brother, my sister, YouTube will demonetize your channel. YouTube will delete your channel. Anytime you post video on other social media platform, I beg, look for websites. Maybe my next video, I'll be talking about it. Look for websites that will remove the logo from there. If you know a video that has somebody's watermark, any social media watermark, please and please do not post it. If you know that your video has watermark of TikTok or watermark of Instagram or watermark of Facebook or Twitter, anywhere, please remove it before you post it on YouTube, because it is not allowed on YouTube. If you go to Google and search for what should I not post on YouTube, you will see that posting videos with other social media logo can either be the reason why your channel gets demonetized or deleted. So anytime you post your video, make sure that it doesn't have any watermark on it. Remove it before you post your videos. Another point we'll be talking about is if you're posting video and always using foul language. Foul language by I mean is that, let me use my language. You will now be saying it in English, whereby you are using foul language like I'll be putting it on the screen, I beg. Let me not say it. So all these things I'm putting on the screen, it is not allowed. Foul language, you know what foul language means. Go to Google and search for what is foul language. If you are always using it on your video, YouTube will either delete that video, demonetize your channel, or delete your channel entirely. So use of foul language, or what do they call it, profanity languages, it is not allowed on YouTube. So be mindful of the language that you use on your YouTube channel. Now, another point we'll be talking about on things that you shouldn't post that can either demonetize your channel or delete your channel is whereby you are posting videos that contain violence. I remember Tayo Aina. Tayo Aina is a content creator that I really admire his videos, okay? His storytelling, his editing, like everything about Tayo Aina's video, I really enjoy it a lot. There was one video he posted that he went to the north whereby they have these people, you know, the people I'm talking about. So he made a video there and there were a lot of shooting, there were a lot of violence. Any video that contains violence or shooting, please, it is not allowed on YouTube. And Tayo Aina posted that kind of video. I think YouTube deleted it or removed the comment section. I don't really know what happened, but he made a mention that something happened to the video within 24 hours, because anytime you post your video on YouTube within 24 hours, the algorithm will actually still check on that video to know if it contains any copyright claim, anything that it should not be on the YouTube street. Because even when we say YouTube have the kids, there are a lot of people that say that they are 18 years and above and access YouTube. They're not supposed to be seeing that kind of thing. So let your channel not be the channel whereby they will come and see that kind of thing. So videos that contains violence, it is not allowed on YouTube. So be mindful of where you post, where you shoot your content, or when you are showing us something on the television and it contains violence, it is not allowed. Even people that do a movie review, if you're doing your movie review, or people that do all this react to musicians, their videos always get copyright claim. Always. Another point to be talking about on things that you should not post on your channel that can lead your channel to demonetization is whereby you are posting videos that have obscene arts. When I mean obscene arts, is that they're doing, they're touching, those kind of videos. It is not allowed on YouTube. Even if others post it and get away with it, you might go and post your own. My brother, my sister, you will not get away with it because it is not allowed. If you want to post movie, go and post movie. But if you know that your channel is for educative purposes or value added videos, my brother, my sister, if you are making reference, maybe you are of the people that teach about health, how you can meet your husband, or the ways for which you can meet your husband to get pregnant. If you are using all these videos, just no post them too much. Hey, don't even post them. Don't post it at all, because YouTube will delete that video, demonetize your channel, and delete your channel. So be careful when you are posting those kind of content video. Another point to be talking about on videos that you shouldn't post on YouTube that can demonetize your channel is whereby you are using so much tags, over tagging, overstuffing. Yes, it is not allowed. The only amount of tag that is allowed on YouTube is 60. Is it 60 hashtag? Like 60 hashtag. A lot of people have asked me, where should I put hashtag in my video? I think I have filmed that particular video. I'll be attaching it in the card, or I'll be putting the link in the comment section. YouTube has a space whereby you can put your tags if you want to tag your video. YouTube have a place whereby you can put hashtag jollof rice video, hashtag how to make jollof rice. They have a space for that. There is no how you should be using more than 3 hashtags on your title, because you will not see it. If you want 3 hashtags, like for example, this particular video you are watching, you'll be seeing like 3 hashtags that is in the title or in the description box. Now they have a space whereby you should add a lot of hashtags. Even if you want to use like 50 hashtags in your video, they have a space whereby you can make use of 60 hashtags. Always, sometimes hashtag no be the reason why your video will go viral. It is only when you are doing your keyword optimization right. Use the right title, use the right description. Make sure that you are optimizing your description box very well. So if you are overstagging or overstuffing your videos or your description box with so much hashtag, more than 60 hashtags, YouTube will delete that particular video. And now another thing that can either delete your video or demonetize your channel is a thumbnail whereby you put a celebrity on your thumbnail and you did not talk about that particular. We usually call it clickbait. For example, some people will tell you, oh, on today's video, normally their video is whereby they are touring Brazil or they are touring UK, and they carry a picture of Kim Kardashian and writes, I met Kim Kardashian. And in that particular video, Kim Kardashian does not have any business with your video. They don't have any business with your thumbnail, but you carried it and went and put there. Ronaldo right now, you will carry it and put there. Maybe you're talking about footballers. That's understandable, okay? You are talking about footballers and you are making reference of a celebrity. But if you don't have a business with any celebrity on your video, you are not talking about footballers, you are not talking about the recent election, the UK election that Donald Trump won. You are not talking about any of these things. And you carry their picture and go and put on the thumbnail. When people watch the particular video, if they are not seeing anything related to it, they will either give thumbs down on that particular video, they will either report that particular video. And when they ask them the reason, because anytime you want to block any content creator that is either spamming your channel or whatever, they usually ask what is the reason for which you are blocking this content creator or you are reporting this content creator. They will lay their reason, and when YouTube sees that particular reason, they will delete that video or even demonetize or delete your channel. So be careful. Do not do a lot of clickbait on your channel, on your video, on your title. Please. Even if, for example, I know I usually talk about pregnancy, but I know that I must say something that has to do with pregnancy in that particular video. Hence, I am making use of it. If you don't have a business, maybe you have made a video on how to make jollof rice, or maybe you have made a video on how to lose belly fat. You will carry a picture of jollof rice and go and put it there. When people watch the video, they will be asking from where to where. You did not even show a drink of how to lose the belly fat. You did not even show the exercises on what to do on how to lose the how to engage your core, but you put on your title how to engage your core, and in the video you are showing something else. So be careful on what you post on your channel so that you don't pull down your hard work of so many years with just one video. Are you hearing me? Another thing that can either delete your video, demonetize your channel, or YouTube giving you a strike is your thumbnail. Do you know that there are some thumbnails that have this licensable copyright? Okay, once you go to Google and you search for example, you search for YouTube logo. When you go to Google and click on the image and click on and search for YouTube logo, there are some pictures that have watermark inside. I will just be putting a picture here and remove it immediately. There are some pictures that are licensable copyright, and they always write it on the bottom. So anytime you go to Google to search for any video to make your reference, make sure that the pictures don't have watermark in it. Make sure that it is not a licensable copyright. Like that picture can give you copyright if you use it. Image licensable copyright. I don't really know. I'll just be putting the name on the screen. So anytime you are using a thumbnail, maybe you go to Canva and you notice that this particular picture from Canva has a watermark in it, my brother, my sister, do not use it, because your thumbnail can either give you a copyright and you will get a copyright claim. There was no music playing in the background, there was no violence playing in the background, there was no graphics that showed anything that from your side you are the one that made the mistake. It can be your thumbnail that gave you a copyright claim, but you do not know, just because you used a picture that has watermark in it that is licensable. So anytime you want to make any video and you want to use videos or pictures to do your reference, and if it has a watermark, please do not use it, because it will give you a copyright claim. They will delete that particular video and demonetize your channels. Another thing that can either delete your video, demonetize your channel, or give you a copyright strike is whereby you are using music, graphics that you don't have license to, previous to the previous points that I talk about. If you know that when you are going out and they will be playing music in the background, my brother, my sister, you better mute it and do voiceover with your voice. Your voice can never ever give you copyright claim. Do not use music that you don't have license to. That you, even sometimes the music that they see on YouTube, they will tell you use YouTube audio library. Some of the music there they give copyright claim. There are videos that I have posted years back that are giving me copyright claim in 2024. Video I have posted 2021 that are giving me copyright claim in 2024 just because of the music that I use. All you have to do is jejely go and remove the music, because the more you keep it in your video, you don't remove it, the more you are not going to earn any chebine in that particular video. All your revenue will be going to the music artists that have that particular music. So do not use music, graphics, pictures, photos, images that you don't have access to or have license to use. Even when you give credit, they will still not release it to you, because no be you get them. No be you get them. Abi, is it you? Is it your own? Is your own is? It's not your own. Anything you know that is not your own, because everybody is waking up right now. Music artists are waking up right now to give copyright to all the content creators that is using their music. But I beg, Stanley Okorie, we are begging you in the name of God, please do not give us copyright claim. But I have I filmed a video on how you can remove anytime you get a copyright claim on your video and it is a music, you can just remove it. You either replace, you either mute, or you delete it. Full final stop, and that ends it. If somebody say he doesn't want you, will you go and force yourself? No. You sit down and do the one you can do.
If somebody say he doesn't want you, will you go and push yourself? No. You sit down and do the one you can do.
So do not use music, graphics, pictures or photos that you don't have license or access to. Anytime you use any music, give credit if they say you should give credit. And if it still gives you copyright claim, my brother, my sister, remove it and rest. Zukwanike. Another point we'll be talking about on things that can give you a copyright strike, demonetize your channel, is whereby you are going in depth on the YouTube features that people can maneuver to maybe earn more views or earn more subscribers. For example, if you go to a live stream, or when I was doing my live stream, you usually hear people say, give me flowers, I gave you flowers, please return it. I gave you chocolate, please return it. I gave you cucumber, please return my cucumber. It means when you tell people that you have subscribed to their channel, and then they should subscribe to your channel back, because YouTube usually hear maybe you are doing sub for sub and it is not allowed. So if you're trying to teach people features of YouTube or other social media platform features that they can use to maneuver to get some things done, it is not really allowed on YouTube. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you're trying to teach people things on how to get things done, do not go overboard inside, but just be careful on what you put on your channel. I am begging you guys, so that you don't go overboard with some certain things, because it can either delete that particular video claim, it can either give you a copyright claim, it can either give you a strike. And remember, once you get 3 strikes on YouTube will automatically delete you. And if you're trying to open up a new channel, you cannot do that. So these are the things that you shouldn't post on your channel that can either demonetize you, give you copyright claim, delete your channel, or ban you entirely from opening up YouTube. So be careful what you post on your channel. Even when you're trying to push out content out there are still content that is not content. I know everything is content, but not everything is content. So we have come to the end of this particular video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and please super chat me, super thanks me, super sticker me. It's another way for which you can tell me, Ogom'S, well done for always putting out content out there. And if you want to have a one-on-one with me, a consultation with me, just send me a mail or follow me on my Instagram handle. I'll be leaving it here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. These are the reasons why YouTube can delete your channel. These are the reasons why your channel can either These are the reasons why your channel can either get Welcome back. Why are you following me? Why are you following me? Stay here. A thumbnail whereby you put a celebrity on your thumbnail and you did not talk about that particular thumbnail, okay? Some people, we usually call it what's that in clickbait.
I say and I continue to pray, let all my enemies live long to see what I'm going to be in the future.
Using a content that is not yours. I think I've talked about that. It's not a this thing.
People explain. Kaya, no evidence. Have you get evidence?
I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.